The American Civil War, a nation torn apart. In the middle of the 19th century, the United States of America faced the greatest crisis in its history, a conflict so deep that it divided families, destroyed cities, and tested the very idea of the nation itself. The country was split into two sides, the northern states, the Union, and the southern states, the Confederacy. At the heart of the conflict was slavery, along with economic differences and the question of whether states had the right to leave the Union. Southern states depended heavily on enslaved labor for their plantations, while many in the North believed slavery was immoral and must be stopped from spreading. When Abraham Lincoln was elected president in 1860, Southern leaders feared he would end slavery, and one by one, 11 states seceded from the Union, forming the Confederate States of America. In 1861, war erupted when Confederate forces attacked Fort Sumter in South Carolina. What many believed would be a short conflict quickly turned into a brutal and bloody war. Brother fought against brother, neighbor against neighbor. Soldiers marched for days without food, fought in unbearable heat and freezing cold, and faced new deadly weapons that made survival uncertain. Battles like Antietam, Gettysburg, and Bull Run left tens of thousands dead in a single day, shocking a nation that had never seen such violence. Hospitals overflowed, cities mourned, and families waited anxiously for letters that often never came. As the war continued, President Lincoln made one of the most important decisions in American history. In 1863, he issued the Emancipation Proclamation, declaring that enslaved people in Confederate states were free. This transformed the war from a fight to preserve the Union into a moral struggle for human freedom. Thousands of formerly enslaved men joined the Union Army, fighting not only for the nation, but for their own dignity and future. In 1865, after 4 long years of suffering, the Confederacy collapsed. General Robert E. Lee surrendered to General Ulysses S. Grant at Appomattox Courthouse, effectively ending the war. The Union was preserved and slavery was abolished, but the cost was staggering. Over 600,000 lives lost, making it the deadliest war in American history. Just days later, the nation was struck by tragedy when Abraham Lincoln was assassinated, leaving the country in grief at the very moment peace returned. The American Civil War left deep scars that took generations to heal, but it also reshaped the United States forever. It proved that the nation would not be broken apart, and that freedom, though painfully delayed, could not be denied forever. The war remains a powerful reminder that unity, justice, and equality often come at an enormous human cost, and that history is written not only by victories, but by the sacrifices of ordinary people who lived through extraordinary times.